Right now, about 6 out of every 100 jobs in the United States belong to engineers, scientists, doctors, programmers, architects, actuaries, and mathematicians. Soon, that number is expected to climb above 10 out of every 100. And here's the part that should get your attention. On average, the people in that 10% earn about twice as much as everyone else. So, who are these people and how do you become one of them? That's what this whole book and this whole video series is about. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools of math, computers, and science that problem solvers use every day to build careers that are both interesting and well-paid. Let's be honest up front. This path is long and it's difficult. So it's fair to ask, why bother? The answer is that there are big problems out there, problems that need experts to solve them. The people who solve those problems make the world a better place. And along the way, they get to spend their careers doing work that actually matters. Here's the list of careers we're talking about: engineers, scientists, doctors, computer programmers, architects, actuaries, and mathematicians. 7 paths. All of them share one skill at their core: the ability to take a hard problem, break it apart, and work through it to an answer. Now here comes the hard part, the part nobody warns you about. At some point on this journey, you're going to look around and notice that someone else is better at this than you are. They'll solve a problem faster. They'll spot the trick you missed. And a voice in your head will say, "I've worked so hard on this, and that person is just better. I should quit." Don't quit. Instead, hold on to 2 facts that make the whole journey possible. Fact 1. Solving problems is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Fact 2, which we'll come back to in a moment, you don't need to be the best. Let's take them one at a time. It is completely okay to say, "I am not good at this yet." That word, "yet," is the important one. It just means you need more practice. Try this yourself. Think of something you're good at right now: reading, riding a bike, a sport, a video game. Were you good at it the first time you tried? Almost certainly not. You got better because you kept doing it. Problem solving works exactly the same way. Now for the second fact, and this one changes everything. You do not need to be the best in the world. Not even close. Let's do the math. Suppose 10 million people your age are better at solving problems than you are. 10 million. That sounds like a lot. But you can still be in the top 10% of the world. And here's what that means in practical terms. If you finish this journey, if you build the skill, there will be a problem waiting for you to solve, and a job where your skill will be valued. You don't need to beat everyone. You just need to be good enough to be useful, and the world will find work for you. So where do we actually start? What's the first idea we should learn about the world? The physicist Richard Feynman once asked a great question. Imagine some disaster wiped out all of scientific knowledge, and you could only pass one single sentence on to the next generation. What sentence would carry the most information in the fewest words? Feynman's answer was this: all things are made of atoms, little particles that move around in perpetual motion, attracting each other when they are a little distance apart, but repelling upon being squeezed into one another. That's it. That one sentence. And that's where we're going to start. You just took the first step onto a path that leads to one of the most valuable skills a person can have. Next time, what does Feynman's one sentence actually mean, and how can something as tiny as an atom explain everything you see around you?